Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your chubby girl, but yet adorable, US-based blogger, Hotbox 237 represent. Hey, my people. I don't know where. Anytime I talk me represent, I love the do me, love the do me because I walk outside. They talk, hey, Hotbox, they want talk represent. Come on serious. So man no go talk it again for the social media. Hey, Hotbox ever talk represent wetin I dey represent o. For anyway, any of my own I dey represent. My own no want to know jokey. I go talk to some people, they go talk say, hey, Hotbox, why you dey talk so? Why you dey talk so? No. Right, I want to start this thing for welcome all my new subscribers every house and welcome una, and I'm glad very much because we don't grow so to we don't hit them. Hey, 1,000 subscribers for 1 month, 1 week. Who knows? We not get big God. We not only hit na 4,000 watch hours, so we hit na 5,100 hours watch. Yes, my people. So this our house will not be monetized. I thank you so very much for our supporting system. I thank you very much. I'll be very happy for any man we don't contribute for this house for reach this point. I tell you when I say when I get always remain loyal. When I get always remain humble. When I get always give una hot vibes. Yes, my people, a lot of things that they go on for social media. I don't been behind the camera, they talk 1 or 2 things them, but I decide for come upload video today with my face because no one see my face, no makeup, nothing, eyelashes, makeup. Man, no talk support they can say hey la la. No powder, but man must look small shine before I come for in front camera. I want to not start the car coach me. Yes, my people. The time where I put this Brenda a video for us, I put a car right me, hey, Hotbox, why I put the video? Why you do that? Why do that? I don't understand. Now, hear the name for the house. Now, Hotbox. Hotbox. Anything the hot for social media, Hotbox, the look at Kakadia, when I don't like them, when I tell me, when I don't like something, when I like them, I don't say when I like them. Yes, my people. So, I began put that video where we run for social media, where they be slap our motivational speaker for Antwerpen, Baba, when a manager for Laugh and Learn show, when a Kobolistic Kobos control. So I can't put that video because as I leave all man talking, or I don't hear plenty they happen, or go this on a year, or go this on a year. But me Hotbox, I don't say we're 2 hate better than 1. So if we talk our own hope says some people they go learn. Everyone and no one can learn, but they'll pick 1 thing or half thing, even nothing. They'll go by different times, they go can learn thing for the house. I don't tell that for the house with the correct man who look face, but are too open for correction. Now understand? Yes, my people. So my hardly enter the matter, put the enter the house today na Brenda show, Baba, Lady B. Yes, my people. Then on the other thing, I feel try and record na examples them for the rest of them. Okay, my people. Brenda show mode analyze the video. When I see Brenda, we don't tell us we analyze na things they will see her for social media, where it come for social media. We need analyze na thing where it be happen for back, but no they for social media. We understand. We need to go contact people, they will ask their problem them, but we see now wait they for social media. Then we will talk them. The house will block celebrities in Africa, Cameroon, all over the world. Man, we no want them. Make come go, but I know so na like them as I give una for that. Yes, my people. So Brenda, we will try to analyze. We'll start with Baba. If una look that video, wait to start, so una start say Brenda talk say yes, Baba coach Brenda say I shower. Then Brenda say yes, I shower we get 4 pikin. Baba say hey me I no get pikin. Then Brenda use this statement say because you don't say your womb now why that you no fit get pikin. For that exchanges of words, so Brenda hold Baba, he grip Baba for it close. So Baba now turn talk say see a pikin, the cry. And when I don't sit with Brenda, they do know. Yes, so that time Brenda, he leave Baba. Baba fit check him. He say, how manage way I will come for attack man. Then short go Baba, we don't surely plan to make people put camera and stay. How manage will come attack person? Now you waka back me for that yes. Now that thing now it climb now Baba the talk now that vex that just climb for Baba. Then it just grip Brenda. You say stop Congo sir. I say the talk stop Congo sir, my people. Na so he slap Brenda. I say he slap Brenda. Na so Brenda. I don't know pardon me when I never reach the place. I laugh about to me. I don't edit the video that many times today. I don't laugh. I say slap Brenda no. Now you Brenda na carry back so to go for go. He go for go hit Brenda. He go for go hit Baba. Baba say I go disgrace you. But I like the way Brenda you get says. No, but people Brenda white because of when I hear that word say disgrace. When I feel say Brenda that for I don't say Brenda, you know say to me already think and that the same. Brenda say he hear that disgrace. Then you know say the attack will not be prepared. He wearing a skirt and boot for summer. You understand? Yes. So he don't say when he go attack Baba, that disgrace Baba, he talk that say Baba go take that his skirt, he Baba for he hate. Yeah. So he just understand. He go there back so then he just have. No. So he bend down, he cry. He say, why don't we be prepared here? Understand you, Brenda. So as he tries to be Brenda, Baba say, I go disgrace you. And Brenda, Brenda cool down. Yes, but people now so the two in the really past me that say, I want to analyze this matter. We will start with Baba. Baba, you do very, very wrong. We know true or what. We know say yes, Brenda don't no. When I Brenda will go back, they don't talk one or two things. But they say if you division and your friend, they try to find your friend, you don't see her. Unfortunately, now you take the slap, you understand. And since family matter to the past of the matter with Shella, E and Baba with Kobos, now you be the scapegoat where they give you that slap. So what are they laughing about? So now, Baba, you be wrong because you see that pikin. Now you open your mouth and just say, see your pikin they cry. For that place don't ever believe say you go slap Brenda show because I just look at it in a fun time. As I said that, I felt look I look that video go long after before they slap one show the 9 minutes side. So you be saying see that pikin, I feel say you just live because of the sake of the pikin they cry for street. You know we get to slap Brenda show. You will get to leave attack it different time. If only you must attack the Brenda. Yes, if you go attack it na different time, not for front that pikin mommy for that one. My sister, I beg you, try. I know say you get one or two things away be the vex you because you talk the bring your papa for inside the matter, and any man get the way he react. Because if I'm me, I believe that I know that I will react more than you understand? But we talk not to see then best for advice, you understand? We'll advise you, you have your skill. You say no hot box, it's no binner. So any man when take side for you try for make things may really be clear. But no matter how you try for analyze something, people already still vex, you understand? So now I'll go for Brenda. Brenda, that statement you just say yes, mommy for 4 picking. I believe the woman born 1 picking, it'll be cool down. But you talk say you born 4. Yes, you don't born 4. But the reaction way react, not a mommy for 4 picking. Because for the whole place, you don't even know so they plan you. Because for your statement for your show make you say for back, you don't record, but you know we don't put up a camera. We never see, we don't talk, but we don't know all that things, so they plan you. If they be planning, we already know so. And they come outside, we know say be risky. If you just carry your picking, you the your talk, you the go you. You understand what they talk? You will just carry your picking. I'm not sure say when if you carry that picking, Baba for slap you. I'm not sure. When if you hold that picking, so where my darling child, when if you hold that picking, I'm not sure say Baba for slap you. But instead, you carry kako, you give the picking, then you go fight. The picking stand for camera, for they cry. People they see him, camera for street, they see him. And look the time where you take the picking come outside now ungodly hours then. We know so the picking go for celebrate with his friend, they when a good thing. But we be so late for that time for come out. And if you be late, you don't say the time already be late, but that kind acts the way happen. So that kind fight will happen. So just better hold your picking, carry the go me be say Baba. You that time Baba can push you that picking. At that time if you say no, may they carry Baba go for any place and all my believe say yes, Baba don't do the real the thing don't really blow. You understand no? So the one way you do and so fine. You go for attack. When you do that picking stand for the lonely. If you want to attack so you lost your life or something happen that picking, today will be and say rest in peace. But God forbid none of your portion, another portion for my little girl, you understand? So for that one, if we talk about Baba be wrong for 70% for the house, we will tell you say Baba, you be wrong for 70% because you attack with that picking day and that picking they cry, you see her for day. No matter what to be happen, no matter what, and they tell you for the national television say you do wrong, Baba. You do wrong. No, that one you do wrong. And Brenda, you need for go back. People if you talk for you. They can't tell you that we please you now, but I will tell you for my national television say make you wash your thing the way you do and now for Antwerpen. May you take your time for Antwerpen. May you listen to your instinct sometimes them, and may you stop and stay away from problems. Because I don't use my village and say any man, any lizard will get tea. No say they go look for a tea or they look now for your head. If they want look now for your head, no say no get tea. That means that thing you're picking them and you hate na yourself. So if you get tail like that picking the way you get, so you need to be very careful, because if you go right for social media, say there are places where they take your bus stop, now wait till they can attack you for there, I don't get for police. No, you know correct. Even if you get to for the public, they will get your picking them. We don't have a push, we don't have a plan. We try to make the problem may be soft and may all man go in peace. But I like the way in the Veshela be talk say they don't solve the problem with their family matter. For a family house them and shift intervene for the matter, it be very good. I will not like I made the saga again, the continue make Kobos and them die down and means Vesela to stop for the core Kobos, but make Kobos stop for the trace lands and to for the Shella. But we think all the matter, we think say the Veshela don't come down, but I still come for that matter. All right, my people, for that one who say I say Baba be do wrong and Brenda show we get for carry picking. But I'm gonna tell you something. I be so I get 10 papas you. I get 10 papas. People they know me, they know me. People they know me. I know I be so in my mind, my business bed. When you find me, you go get me hot. My temper over hard. That will be the bamboo for Tassa Plaza. I be get my small picture. I be hold on my hands. So my me I will get some misunderstanding with some my neighbor. So people they know say my friend they around we know say I be like I best if go attack I broke thing them I give key man before they regret. So for that moment I go for go attack what they be do they go carry my picking can give me. The moment I see my picking so pap my spirit die. My spirit die. Another my picking me see this much. Imagine my picking see this much. I even know nothing. They all picking 5 years. When you know something that stigma for your head it will remain. So for that kind of situation, anytime it happen, mommy I beg. Don't try to react for front your picking. Now one will talk and will pass them. Yes, my people, I don't tell you for the house say mama me say die. People they don't marry, they die. People they don't marry, they die. Even a fiancé one they die. My mommy for Uganda, he talks he go solve the problem. So mommy say he go solve the problem. Mommy do it. And mommy he don't marry na 7 massa. That music can reach for the house. That mommy they use na spell. That mommy they use na wish for control that 7 man picking them. So that man picking now who man na the rule Uganda now. My people, that mommy married her 7. They say any choose who for sleep with them. I will not for sleep with them. Yes, when I know the energy where one man picking get them. Then mommy take 7. Then mommy take na 7. Say mommy, at toilet. Mommy a toilet for you. Mommy carry 7. My people now we go judge it. See, mommy get 7 massa. My people na 7 no na even 1. No way man pick you don't tire. Say don't come walk tire. Man, your master every touch you say you tire. That mommy get 7. Then all the 7 they bow for that mommy. Say mommy go to show you that you know. Oh. Make a go here. So woman the way. Akwara no go be again for Cameroon. For this one, you know go be. Because all man go just bring master the keeper for the number of master they want to bring and put up us. That know the yearly die palava again. That woman now go to start control that check. How that check? Now woman now go start control. Yeah. See, I'm that's on news don't come. Also the mommy. I saw no people also on social media. No, na me I talk about. Because I don't have to I see for social media. African people they go yeah. Ahead today for back. We go deal the man picking them when they try for key all woman. I don't tell her for the house don't time no day for married. Time no day. If you care then how many years you go still married. Woman they married for 60. Woman they married for 20. But all na 70 na married. Before they were buried or going na Mrs. All na married my people. What did you try to tell me? Person over die because he no married. The person don't die because he married. You understand? So any of my sister them, my grandson, my petit said whenever I married. Time day for all thing. All man must married. All man. All my time day. All the things are not they equal. All man must married. Which I try to talk about. When I hear the news they bring about all for social media. Regina Daniel in my middle married is Bobo. Hey. Na so boy clean. Na so boy straight. Na so boy fresh. Na so mommy stand but that age. Mommy still married that boy. Una see no. See. But you way he catch my eye for the matter and I say I she done that at the check. I say man. The mommy marry young boy for the age. Then he carry he pikin. He small pikin for how many years girl for network call that pa. But the mommy go marry young boy. Regina Daniel vex. Imasa, or Regina Daniel vex so te green for even come for mommy married for Delta State. My people, wait till no see am for social media. Wait till no take what I see am. That's what mommy stand. That's what they make with the boy. That's what they make with the boy. Marry young boy. He begins the knife for come. Even at me, I know if he come for that kind of marriage. Mommy like fighting. You know, another young boy, they know. I know finish up. Boy, they know how to. Yes, that mommy want that young boy. Then he carry that old man when I get to marry them. He get up with picking. But mommy anyhow no. Congratulations. We don't see her. We see you now so. The money we don't wait for network. Now you don't think I go marry a small master. But we for the house of Cameroon would send you congratulations. Say me enjoy your marriage. Yes. May you enjoy your marriage. Then you leave your picking made it dry every day. Your owner for go take money for take a marry a young boy. In love for network but don't gather, go marry a young boy. Oh guys, enjoy both. Whether you enjoy na chop or chop the other one, no. That one I know see take and go. Yes, for people, I don't talk that one, I don't done and dusted. If I talk I like it here. Wait to carry me come for this another house again. Now this matter for Lady B billionaire. I be don't tell when I say Diveshela no fit ever change. I be don't look at for tell I say it will change. What about I talk on my chat? I say when I say we don't talk about Diveshela concerning charity. We don't talk about it about how to give. It's start sharing because I advertise some products. So it's start give up for it. So people they follow it, may they help they advertise the product for their channel and for their countries the way they do. So because of that, because they start peeling for that matter, say he over be stingy in the give. So he just start opening hand give them. So start talking now, start give, start look at palava for change, for apologize. People they don't hurt them. But he say, if he ever apologize, he be unapologetic blogger. So he decide not for apologize, but he way the way we talk and we show say he don't try for the true rewards them. But he was so surprised and witty. We not say what when we don't make mistake in one way or the other. Lady B don't do something in one way or the other. But Lady B be get right for answer Diveshela because Diveshela they cost Lady B for 1 year today. So that time this now Lady B get for answer. Oh man get time for answer man, and we start with Lady B start answer Diveshela. I did think palava brand ambassador issue. People that don't say why Diveshela cost you sings. You know can answer. Lady B, you don't answer Diveshela. You wait now for can answer. I'm not tell her for the house. Lady B, I don't understand for all the way they happen. All the story Lady B don't talk today for his channel. And the time Lady B papa die and Lady B birthday, it be like finger and nail. You understand? My affair talk Lady B papa been a fond of Big Babanki. Where he be die for January 19, 2008. Lady B make a mistake because I be saying say Lady B be there intense. He be get some fear. He be get some. He had be the hot. So he be just the mix the words them for they forget. Call I say 2018. But Papa be died 2008. Why I remember the date? I remember the date because I was in Bamenda. I know if something be happen with me that date for Bamenda where I walk come go from Queen. I see her place tight. I see her police the day outside special forces. Then I saw motor the pass. What asked the state chief of Babanki don't die when they kill you. We hear all that story there, and we can get my friend where come on for chief and go for a palace. Yes, that my friend will stay for day for chief and go for a house. So Lady B Papa be stay for that house. So now that my friend will get all the information concerning Lady B Papa he die. Nothing but the truth when Lady B talk concerning the papa. He probably get a problem, family dispute within he and his brother and his sister them. So he will leave palace, go for Fonangwa for a house. He stay for there for a very long time before government will intervene for their matter. So time where he come go down for go do this thing, go clean the palace, arrange everything before the government will come. Now for the person Naki ask for his head. After the Naki that ask for his head, they set fire for the man he hates. They burn the man before government will come. As for the top present date, they will arrest all those people. They will arrest any man will be involved for anything. They put them for upstation. Lady B and Papa no ever rape any small pikin before they die. They no killing her because he rape person. They no killing her because of any illegal thing for Babanki. He be being a well respectable man. Respectable man and a magistrate also. I don't know who side they talk come people they try to bring people them down. They bring Papa below die since 2008 for this matter. They bring their papa for inside the matter. The papa don't die, the rest in peace. But they still bring him matter for inside social media. Where Diveshela and the own crew, their own people, they don't recruit them because it talks say mommy breed, they don't recruit you. So they talk say, oh, Papa God. Say mommy breed don't suffer, yeah. You don't really suffer. So they talk say mommy breed recruit me. And they laugh una very badly. And they laugh. And they really can't laugh again. They talk say that mommy breed don't buy me subscribers. Are you guys serious? I will ask that continuously for this place. Are you guys serious? Me and people even see. I don't die. When I look at those social media, I laugh. Because I don't say all these things when I talk about a lie. Now I say all these things in a big pom. Yes. Because me and the innocent Bridget Benjamin already even discuss for back. God be my weakness. But people they come on now they talk on social media say, Mommy Bridget Benjamin don't buy me subscribers. You guys are lying. Ma go now for Lady B billionaire. So Lady B now don't come out because this version don't talk about most. This version be don't talk about. This version don't cause Lady B, cause Lady B shape, cause Lady B dressing. Lady B lost brand ambassadorship for where they don't give because of the version because the version belittle his employer. Cause the man all kinds time. The man decides he don't want a business make come for inside saga. It take that brand ambassadorship for Lady B when and the version bring her down. Yes. So it don't come now. Fine way again for hot Lady B. It talk about Lady B, his late father way died since 2008 because say they say he rape. Even if that man be do that kind of thing, but why you get to see bring her for the kind for social media for the time? Why you get to bring the past, the trauma where Lady B they don't go through for their house, what they don't go through for their family for how many years back? They still bring them again for social media. Even if you must coach the Veshela, why must you bring a dead man into this matter? Tomorrow they will talk so you the coach die people there. You say me any man can stand for your channel, talk with don't hurt them. And wait till you start. My people, I go talk, I need talk for, I don't know Lady B so perfectly, but I talk now with I be don't see her for social media. I talk now with I don't witness her for social media. Lady B billionaire he need ever celebrate his birthday. He give you reason why he need ever celebrate. And if you see the time for the brand ambassador Tineri and Sheila, na towards Lady B his birthday period. They bury Lady B papa na the day where they born Lady B. So Lady B they mostly celebrate his birthday because time when his birthday they can't reach the remember that the picture we had the bury papa. So for that brand ambassador team will come that time. Lady B be there for a birthday program. He never do a write-up for a birthday hype party can die. He never cry papa na car for do a birthday time. So time Sheila be bring up this thing say it's if brand ambassador and that time for a birthday. We be for that procedure. We never celebrate our orphan them. We never go for the home them. They go get chop and wait the way Brenda because use a mocky day. Say they go show for gifts in the away. So now that time that in the past, Lady no get a calm head because we don't remember all that kind of thing. I hate no get to calm it. I hate we don't be really scatter. So Tawi should not digest all those things. And that time become answer Diveshela concerning that brand ambassadorship. Diveshela, I did debunk you and I did debunk you for years. Say Lady B papa no ever keep picking or rape some picking because say but no ever keep picking when a reason why they kill it. No. You don't ever rape any picking. Any man where it talks say Lady B papa rape that 6 years picking. Now the thing where it go on for their life. Now so your papa be don't rape you, or sometimes so your uncle be don't rape you, or sometimes so your brother be don't rape you. Now like you can give for different man. Yes, now me hot box, I don't talk am. No man, no do me nothing. Nothing. I said nothing. 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 No man. If you hot no, you can't boss me for the television. So my people, I don't debunk that story and see where I see work I hear of social media that the version that they talk say he get video for mommy Bridget Benjamin Massa where it is sleep song here. Some people they fully show. You feel say today where you can't give me some tape my massa the sleep song here I see and so say my massa I go mama go chakara. Una stupid. Una be big fools. Una be idiots. Yes. Now me, hot box, I don't talk. Una bring picture from mother, say, wait, it even leak and I leak at all. I go hold this so I say, Papa, come go we. Because the moment you bring that thing, I know say, hey, you are chakara ma married. It did the same how when they send boy, they can't bring somebody they screenshot it accept their money, I go to block them. And the same one if you send my massa, man picking man picking na babies, man picking they like toys. If you toy they anyhow. Even if he massa do what to do? Now 20 years before marry house. Now they want bring tape where the sleep human. Especially you, I don't know so you door rich. I don't know so you door you rich. You door something no. Sam, if you picking where he enter class 1, self you get sense pass you. So you go take, if you say you that so you bring him, put up aside, now you make a lazy mommy Bridget Benjamin, he go leave him massa. Say so the player, the man just say, who charge people the door for the social media. Oh. Bring my massa where the leak and a leak so or say where papa you enjoy yourself umpa. We go in a go that so ndolo go strong na strong. Mbale. And the Mbale. All those things, they are very childish. The master to stay with you for house. You know how many women they go lick them. You know how many women they go do them. If you say you be there, every man are cheats. It's all men are dogs. All of them. If you see one way he try make choice, he try respect the dog in him. He try respect the dog in him. If you no see her with your eye, you know if you talk say mamas are the cheat. I know if ever greens mamas are the cheat. Even when you show me self, I don't catch her no. I go see carry will go for house. Don't continue because na for better for worse. So all those things you do, you are very childish. You are very stupid to do that. I look at so I say, I feel vomit. You do that because you want to make a way laugh with Benjamin. You don't be for us, we don't be married for 20 years. 20 years is not 20 days. You say he must have the cheat. Man. You say he must have the cheat. Have you seen that some story? And just say man picking the some story that. Mommy, try to create content. No, you say you be content creator. Create content. Maybe small some write them. We can't gather the content for you. Since as you say you be content creator, you don't get nothing for say for Wednesday. You can't talk all lies for social media about people there. Can't talk lies. You say no, because you don't answer any son write them, but you don't start answer them all for all man. You answer them for that Wednesday show. Cool down. Cool down. Cool down. See, I'm a toilet you. You never change, but you get for change. Bridget Benjamin. Mommy, that one na actuality. That one they never even touch you for no site. Because you don't see thousands for your age. You don't see plenty. They only this small few times. They don't touch you all sites. So when they will come out, they don't be pretend, they don't be thief. They be waiting. They be thieves and pretenders. Me hot box, I go repeat them. So they are thieves and pretenders. They can't pretend for corner you, for tap for you. Then after they can't stand for betray you. Anyhow, my people, I don't want to make the video over long. I will see I end up here. I see thank you, my people. See, I thank you so very much. Deep in my heart, I'm so happy. I'm so pleased for una for make my bro be monetized. I thank you so very much. I say una place day. All my bishkili and them. Who said the big company they talk saying that they promote for them they grow. Who said they now they make me a grow today. Inside 1 month, 1 week, I blow. I thank you, Mommy Bridget Benjamin. I thank you so very much for advertising me. I thank you, Dopes. I thank you, Lady B. I thank you, Beehives. I thank you for all my Bishkilians them. I thank every person, my enemies, they all promote me. If you tap my channel, you watch me, but you know, subscribe. But honestly, you add my watch hours then. I thank you so very much. I thank everybody deep in my heart. I thank you now. When I continue to spread my name, Hotbox. Hotbox. Hotbox, I give una hot. When I continue. But if I call your name, I talk your name for you. No, so I never see you again. You don't reach. I need to see you again. You be fly. Yes, now me, Hotbox, I don't talk. So I thank you so very much. My grand said that everything I do for me, I be very, very grateful for una support, una love, una stand by me, una fight by me. My die-hearted fan them. I thank una very much. My die-hearted fan, I want beg una. If una see me, I go wrong for any way. I beg una call my attention. Una get women always loyal. Una get will be adorable for any dimension where you come. I go come. If I make mistake, I go stand for them on national television, apologize for person way I wrong am. I go leave una for now. Any man wey never yet subscribe, I beg una go subscribe. Una still like the video, una share am. May it reach for people that don't want no palava hot box. May they come from this house so they give and they as the hot. Yes. Boza. Yes, my people. I thank you so very much. I'll be very, very happy. I don't want to end the show, but I just say, I just end. I want to know. Yes. Thank you. God bless always. Bye-bye.